Hey there, I'm Nana. You know those days when you are craving something sweet but don't want to put in too much effort? Well, I have got you. Here are 7 super easy desserts you can make at home, and they are honestly so good you'll keep making them again and again. So, let's get started. Okay, so do you ever get that feeling when you have been craving something for so long, but you just never get the time to make it? And then finally, the moment you do get time, you go all in and just make it. So that was me with these muffins. I've been craving them for so long, and I decided the first thing I'd make once I was back home was this. And honestly, they turned out so freaking delicious. This is actually my first time ever making muffins, and I still don't know why I never tried them before. So, don't make the same mistake. Try these at home because you're going to love them. And maybe even love yourself a little more. Because, same, I think I love myself more now. I hope you really try this recipe. Merry Christmas, and I'll see you in the next video. Okay, bye. Today, this woman woke up and decided she was going to eat healthy. But how could she? When her mind was filled with sinful desserts. She tried to resist. She really did. But instead of a healthy snack, she ended up making donuts. Soft, fluffy, chocolatey donuts. And honestly, no regrets. Because today, her new obsession was unlocked. Would you believe me if I told you I ate cheesecake at 9 am? It was just that good and I couldn't even resist. For the past 2 weeks, I have been wanting to bake this, but I kept overthinking what if it doesn't turn out right? What if all the effort goes to waste? And then one day I thought, सादा से ज़्यादा क्या होगा? खराब ही तो बनेगा ना? At least I learned. So I ordered the ingredients and I baked it. And somewhere in the process, I overcome that fear. I stopped overthinking. I just tried. Yes, it cracked a little on top, but honestly, I'm proud of it. Because sometimes it's not about perfection, it's about showing up for yourself. And even with the cracks, it tastes incredible. If I could, I would step out of this video and hand you a slice. Craving something sweet, but no mood for too much manner? Same. That's when I make these quick strawberry dark chocolate bites. They are easy, no fuss, and trust me, once you try them, you'll keep making them again and again. Yummy. Share this with someone who is coffee paglu. I have been obsessed with trying different muffin variations lately, and this time I made coffee muffins. And honestly, I kept thinking, why didn't I try this before? They are soft, rich, and have that perfect coffee flavor in every bite, like a cafe style treat at home. If you're a coffee lover, you're going to love this one. It's super easy to make and perfect for those days when you're craving something sweet with your coffee. And trust me, once you try these, you'll keep coming back to them again and again. So good. You have to try this recipe, literally. This double chocolate loaf cake is for those days when you are craving something sweet, something really chocolatey, when all you want is a little comfort, a little quiet moment to yourself, and just enjoy your dessert in peace. This cake is exactly that soft, rich, and so comforting. A small twist to your regular chocolate cravings, and trust me, this one always comes to rescue. So, I was craving something sweet and I had Nutella at home. Then I thought, why not bake some Nutella chocolate muffins? And honestly, I'm so glad I did because these turned out so gooey, soft, and just the perfect amount of sweet. They are so good, I feel like you're going to love them too. For more easy, delicious recipes, you know what to do. See you soon then. Bye.